In this lesson, we'll review an advanced math question from the problem solving section. We're on page 400, question 18 out of 20. We have this table here, and we're given values of x and then corresponding values of the function. So when x is negative 1, we know the function is 1/8. When x is 0, 1/2, and so on. And here's the function. Remember, this is the function here. It's defined as k times a to the x power, and we're told that k and a are both constants. They're always the same, and x corresponds to the table up here, and we have to solve for a. The best advice I can give you for these problems when you have a table like this, always start with 0, all right, for x. So let's just work through this. So we don't know what a and k are. We have two constants here, but we're going to plug in 0 for x. So the function is going to be k times a to the 0. Anything to the 0 power is 1. And so we end up just now with 1 times k, right? What is the value of the function when x is 0? We plugged in 0 here. We know the corresponding value of the function is 1/2. Right? We plugged in 0, we followed the rules, we know the function's 1/2, and so now we can figure out what the constant is. K is 1/2. I'm just going to put this off to the side. All right, now we're going to do it again with a different value. So we're always going to start with 0. Now the next piece of advice, now we're going to move to 1. All right, so now we have a to the 1 times our k equals the function. Now remember, the constant that we figured out in the first sequence will always be the same, and so we can plug in our 1/2, and anything to the 1 is just going to be a, so we end up with just 1/2 times a. What is the value of the function when x is 1? It's 2. And so for this to be true, a would have to be 4. 4 times 1/2 is 2, and that's it. So remember, when you ever see a function like this with a table, start with 0 and move on to 1, and it should eliminate a lot of choices. Sometimes this will be a multiple choice. You could even work backwards. I don't recommend it for this problem. Just start with 0, move on to 1, and then you can figure out the value. The answer here is 4D. All right, see you next time. Thanks for watching.